Hi, good morning, guys. Um, so today I'm going to be washing my hair later, and I'm going to be putting on castor oil, organic, raw, cold pressed, Jamaican castor oil. Um, this is the one I found, and I found it online. And so I'm going to put this on my hair. It's the morning time, and I am going to have it in my hair all day. But um, I actually have to style my hair as well. So you're just going to be on this ride with me. Oh, great. I just got a pop-up on my computer. Great. Like, now I have to. I didn't even read what it said. I just said, okay. It could have said, hey, would you like to sell your soul to the devil, Rachel? I don't know. Do you read those, oh my God, like when you're installing a program or some app and it's like, do you agree to this? It's like you don't have a choice. You're just saying okay. It's not like you could say no. If you say no, then you don't get it. So okay. So yeah, I am going to be putting this in my hair for a full month, and I'm going to see if it actually helps. And I just stopped taking any other thing that may help my hair. So I had this these pills from Plexus, these multi-days that I talked about before, and that helped my hair growth. And I used that for 6 months, so I really actually know that it worked. And there's like a few other products that have worked with helping getting my hair thicker. So I'm not doing anything. Just my normal shampoo and conditioner, and this for a full month, you guys. And I'm letting it sit in my hair for like a whole day, and then at night I'm gonna wash it out. My cousin put me on this. She told me her secret. She was using this, and her hair got so thick. So for 12 bucks, I said, hey, it's worth a try, right? And you should always do, like if something's working for your family member, then you should really try it because that's your family member. They have like your DNA. So, all right. I think what I want to do is make a part. And I'm going to try to make the part as towards the side as much as possible. Okay, and why didn't I do this before? Okay, I'm gonna just take this part. I'm gonna take this out and leave it out. And I'm just gonna take this and tie it up. Oh. Okay. I'm gonna just divide this in half. And I'm gonna take this, just gonna wrap it around my fingers. I'm gonna put it like that, like a little You probably need 2 bobby pins. Right. Okay, and then I'm going to take this part. See, you're going to fix anything like a little hole or anything like that. You're going to have to fix it. Take this one, wrap it around. I'm using my computer camera to do this, and it shows me everything like backwards. So I just have like a really hard time, and then I can't like, I don't have like a mirror in the back to like see what I'm doing, but it's okay. This is not necessarily to be like, oh, do exactly what I'm doing, but hopefully it just gives you some ideas. Okay. Another one, little wrap. Ooh. Did that work? I don't think that one worked. Okay, so that's okay. It just doesn't have to be perfect. Just remember that. It just does not have to be perfect. Okay, there we go. All right, that's really it. So, my hair's frizzy, so I need to like brush it out a little bit. Like, clean it up just a little bit. So, I mean, I like the little holes, but if you don't like it, that's fine. Like, you can just, you know, make your little loops a little bit looser. And also, I don't know how it is in the back. Sometimes it just doesn't look full enough. And, oh, I don't have a bow with me. Okay, I found my hair bows. I call them hair bows. What do you call these? I just call them hair bows. Doesn't matter if it's a flower, but anywho. So I'm gonna just cover up anything that I kind of need, that kind of needs like help, that looks a little thin, or just doesn't look perfect or whatever. So the first thing I'm gonna try to cover up is this little what is it? What do you call it? My little scrunchie. Just try to grab it. And oh, this is hard. Don't try. Okay. Hoping it covers it up, because I can't quite see. Okay. I think that covered it up, and then I'm going to take this, and I'm just going to put it right here. Okay. So you sleep this way, right? This way would seem better. Okay. All right. Much better, right? All right. Well, thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope this gives you a little bit inspiration. You know, it's really hard to have oil in your hair and still style it, when it's those wash days. So yeah, have a good day, you guys. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.